Are you ready to add rich, earthy tones to your art? Today, we explore one of Daniel Smith's exceptional pigments, Piemontite Genuine. Let's dive into its technical features, creative applications, and its impact on your artwork. Piemontite Genuine is a natural iron-based pigment with intense granulation effects. Granulation offers dramatic textures and depth. Color tone produces warm reddish-brown shades. Transparency. Its semi-transparent nature is suitable for layered works. Light fastness ensures long-lasting vibrancy for your artworks. Contrast. Cobalt blue, PB28 creates a vivid warm-cool contrast. Viridian, PG18 provides a dynamic color balance. Harmony. Burnt umber, PBR7 enhances warm, natural tones. Quinacridone gold, PO49 complements with golden hues. Pastel transitions. Buff titanium, PW6:1 brings out gentle pastel textures. Yellow ochre, PY43 enriches with warm pastel shades. Piemontite Genuine offers vast creative potential. Portrait painting, ideal for enriching skin tones. Landscape art, perfect for earthy textures and rocky details. Abstract art, creates emotional depth with its granulation effects. Due to its natural sourcing, Piemontite Genuine is exclusively available from Daniel Smith, making it a unique and prized pigment among artists. How do you use Piemontite Genuine? Share your thoughts and creations in the comments. Let us know which other colors you would like us to review. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to explore more pigments.